everyone, welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. So we are going to do question number 8 of exercise 10.2 of class 7. So already we have uploaded many videos regarding this lesson. So please go through the same and watch this video. So question number 8. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 into bracket z minus 10. So let us write the expression z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. Let us simplify the expression. Z cube minus 3z. 3 into z is 3z. Minus into minus plus 3 multiply 10, that is 30. Z cube minus into plus minus 3 into z 3z minus into minus plus 3 into 10 30. Now let us put the value of z is equal to 10 in this expression. So 10 cube minus 3 into 10 plus 30. 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. Minus 3 into 10, that is 30 plus 30. Here we can see both the numbers are same but with opposite signs. So we can cancel this out directly. Then if both the numbers are same and the same different signs, so 30 minus 30, that is 0. So the answer is 1000. Okay. Now second question. P squared minus 2p minus 100. It's already simplified, so we don't have to simplify it further. No bracket is there, nothing. If there is in brackets or like term, then we have to simplify it. Now let us put the value of p is equal to minus 10 here. So minus 10 squared minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. Minus 10 squared means minus into minus. Minus 10 into minus 10. Minus into minus plus 10 into 10, 100. Now minus 2 into minus 10. Minus into minus plus 2 into 10, 20. So plus 20 minus 100. That is 100, again the same, 100 positive, 100 negative. Both will cancel out. So the answer is 20. Okay. Okay. Question number 9. What should be the value of a? We have to find the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5 and when x is equal to 0. So let us see. 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5. It's given as like this. 2x square plus x minus a equals 5 and when x is equal to 0. So we have to put the value of x as 0. When x is equal to 0, put it like here. 2 into 0 squared plus again 0, x is equal to 0, then minus a is equal to 5. 2 0 squared plus 0 minus a equals 5. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Again 0 minus a is equal to 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. So minus a is equal to 5. Now this sign will go to this side. So a is equal to minus 5. Okay. Question number 10. Simplify the expressions and find its value when a equals 5 and b is equal to 3. So question is this one. 2 multiply a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. Let us open this bracket. So 2 into a square, 2a squared plus 2 into plus 2 into ab, 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Now value of a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. We have to put the value in this expression. So 2 multiply a squared means 5 squared plus 2 multiply a means 5 multiply b means 3 plus 3 minus a into b, that is 5 into 3 means 2 multiply a square, 2 multiply 5 square, 2 multiply a multiply b, 2 multiply 5 multiply 3 plus 3 minus ab minus 5 into 3. Now we have to multiply. 2 into 5 square 25, 5 into 5 25 plus 2 into 5 10, 10 into 3 30 plus 3 minus 5 3s are 15. Here 25 into 2 is 50. 50 plus 30 plus 3 minus 15. That is equal to 50 plus 30, 80, 83, 68. This is the answer. So, the exercise is completed. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.